one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Stop dreaming about staying in office beyond 2028. Analyst TELLS MNANGAGWA by Jefferson Chitando, former Masvingo Central MP. The 26th of August 2025. Former legislator and political analyst Jefferson Chitando has warned President Emerson Mnangagwa to abandon any thoughts of extending his stay in office beyond 2028, insisting that such a move would be unconstitutional, dangerous, and a betrayal of the people's trust. Chitando, writing under his patriotic Papa JC banner, said the president entered the 2023 election fully aware that Zimbabwe's constitution sets clear limits on presidential terms. He applied for a position whose conditions of service were clearly defined. Chitando argued, one of those conditions is the constitutional limit on presidential terms. By entering the race, Mnangagwa took an oath to abide by these term limits. He said it was both absurd and self-serving for Mnangagwa and his supporters to now entertain talk of altering those provisions. He should be judged on the achievements of his single term, not on a self-serving extension, Chitando charged. The former MP reminded the nation that Mnangagwa himself was a key player in the constitution-making process between 2009 and 2013, serving as one of the fiercest advocates of presidential term limits. If he truly believed that extending presidential terms was in the best interests of the country, he should have argued for it then. He cannot now move the goalposts because power suits him, Chitando said. Chitando also dismissed the argument that Mnangagwa is indispensable. Zimbabwe has over 10 million citizens who could serve as president. What makes Mnangagwa so uniquely qualified that the rest of the population is excluded? Pushing an aging Mnangagwa beyond 2028 would be a grave mistake, he warned. He said the president's record speaks for itself, highlighting unfulfilled promises and failed reforms. He promised millions of jobs, yet the country has seen a massive skills flight into the diaspora. Thousands of university graduates are surviving by selling airtime or second-hand clothes on the streets. Should Mnangagwa's term be extended while the future of our youth is being destroyed? Chitando asked. On the economy, Chitando blasted Mnangagwa's failure to resolve the persistent currency crisis. Zimbabweans have lived without a stable national currency. In Matabeleland and Masvingo, people rely on the South African rand and Botswana pula, while in Harare and Mashonaland, the worthless Zimbabwean dollar still circulates. His policies have divided the nation. Why should we reward this failure with more years? He further pointed to the collapse of social services, saying both healthcare and education have deteriorated to unprecedented levels. The rise of private schools, he argued, was proof of government neglect, while no economic sector was functioning at even 40% capacity. Looting of national resources, corruption, and mismanagement have become the only constants under Mnangagwa's rule. These are not reasons to extend his tenure. They are reasons to demand accountability, Chitando stressed. He concluded with a call to action. I am a constitution defender. We must all be patriotic Zimbabwean constitution defenders. This is not about political party loyalty. It is about defending our constitution and the future of Zimbabwe.